A top terrorist commander of Hizbul Mujahideen was trapped in a village in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama as the security forces launched 3 operations in different areas of the district, officials said today. A terrorist was also shot dead in Sarshali in Awantapura area of the district in one of the operations, which is still underway in the village, they said as per a media report. With 2,958 new cases of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 and 126 deaths, India's tally crossed the 49,000 mark, according to Union Health Ministry's data this morning. According to the Union Health Ministry's dashboard at 8 a.m., there are 33,514 active cases of COVID-19 and 1,694 fatalities across the country. The recovery rate of coronavirus disease cases in the country went up to 28.71% from 27.41% a day earlier. The authority today forced to shut down all shops at Pauna Market and Thangal Market in Imphal City. The move comes after people defied norms apart from decreasing number of people crowding the markets. Official sources said people have defied rules of physical distancing and neglected wearing of masks during the lockdown and curfew relaxation hours, following which the authority closed down the markets. 80 people, including students and laborers from Jiribam who were stuck in Imphal due to the lockdown, were brought back to Jiribam, our correspondent reports. These people were transported back to their hometown in 4 vehicles arranged by Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited and State Executive Member BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar Singh. 13th Dogra Regiment distributed ration to the residents of Bamdiar Mayailekai, helping them during the lockdown. The officials of the regiment distributed the items to over 100 households of the area at Bamdiar Community Hall. My Mom, a Manipuri film directed by Rakesh Moirangthem, has won the International Audience Choice Award at the INFOC Unidos International Short Film Competition 2020 in the US. The film is based on the COVID-19 warriors and the current crisis caused by the deadly pandemic. The film has been officially selected for Bardhaman Online Lockdown Short Film Festival 2020 and Merlin Cinemas Lockdown Short Film Festival 2020. Bishnupur Block Congress Committee President C.H. Ibotombi and Ningthaukhong Municipal Council Chairperson L. Ibungo today jointly flagged off 3 vehicles to take back residents of Bishnupur constituency stranded in different parts of the country due to the ongoing lockdown. Civil society organizations of Hauchong Subdivision under None District of Manipur today appealed to the state government, local MLA and district administration to look into a series of problems faced by the residents of Hauchong Subdivision. Over 30 COVID-19 vaccines are in different stages of development and a few are going to trial stages in India. Scientists informed Prime Minister Narendra Modi during a meeting of the task force yesterday. The Prime Minister in the meeting took a detailed review of the current status of India's steady efforts in vaccine development, drug discovery, diagnosis and testing.